In this video, I'll guide you through how to apply for a Discover student credit card. Whether you're a college student looking to build your credit or simply want to take advantage of the benefits these cards offer, I'm here to help you navigate the application process smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to the Discover Student Credit Card page. This is your starting point where you can explore the various card options available specifically for students. Once you're on the page, it's a good idea to check for pre-approval. By doing this, you can find out if you qualify for a card without affecting your credit score. It's a great way to gauge your eligibility and make informed decisions. After checking for pre-approval, take a moment to choose the student credit card that best suits your needs. Discover offers several options, so consider what benefits and rewards align with your spending habits and goals. Once you've made your choice, it's time to dive into the application process. You'll need to fill out an online application. This involves providing some personal and academic information. Be prepared to enter details like your social security number, your income, and specifics about your school. It's important to be accurate and thorough here to avoid any delays or issues with your application. Additionally, you might be asked to provide proof of enrollment, so having your school documents handy can be very helpful. Once you've filled in all the required fields, take a moment to review your details. Double-checking ensures that everything is correct and complete. When you're satisfied, go ahead and submit your application. After submission, all that's left to do is wait for a decision from Discover. This can take a little time, so be patient. If your application is approved, congratulations. You'll receive your new card along with instructions on how to activate it and start using it. Discover will provide you with all the necessary information to get started, so make sure to review any materials they send you. And there you have it, a straightforward process to apply for a Discover student credit card. Remember, building your credit as a student is a smart financial step, and having a credit card can offer valuable perks and rewards along the way. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.